Good morning guys, so Erik is just taking the kids to school and I need to clean up the breakfast mess. We've got a bit to do today. We need to go to Bunnings and I was hoping to get to Ikea to get some more shelves, but we'll see how we go with that. Just done my dinner menu for the rest of the month of September, because it's like 2 weeks left. And a few days in October, because obviously we don't go right on the 1st of what's it called, October, because we have to wait for a Thursday when Erik's off to do the big shop. So I'll show you guys that while before I clean up the mess. So first off, I write on my little notepad what we've actually got in the freezer. So at the end of the month we should still have a mince left. I swear we had sausages. I know we had one of them, but I couldn't find the second packet, but we'll see how we go. So first up, tonight we're having steak, pumpkin and potatoes and corn. Tomorrow we have fake away, which is just like chips, nuggets, dim sims, that sort of thing that I whip up. So I'm not buying takeaway. Then we have buttered chicken and naan bread, stir fried beef, drumsticks will have probably potatoes or chips, and veggies, chili con carne, sweet and sour chicken. That massive pork we got, we're going to attempt to cook it on Erik's day off during the holidays, because kids are on spring holidays. Not tonight, tomorrow night. Schnitzels, spaghetti, chicken something, probably like a creamy chicken, because I think we've got that there. Meatloaf, which we'll probably just have, again, chips or potatoes, depending on if we can actually get potatoes. For the pie maker that I got for Mother's Day, I still haven't used it. The kids have been bugging me, so I'm going to attempt to make some pies with them that day. And then I've just got, chicken skewers, which we call chicken sticks. Again, we'll just have salad or something with it. So now I am going to pack up this breakfast, so when Erik gets home we can pretty much just go out. So we just got to Bunnings. Are you ready to go to the fixer shop? We need to get some screws and stuff, and I want to see if they have a rug in here for the girls' room. So we'll go and see what they have.
And a wardrobe.
Oh, and a wardrobe.
Yeah, we get a trolley.
Alright, we found the rugs. We need a girly one though. And they're all rolled up. It's not very handy. Oh, hang on, are they at the front here?
That might be it. There we go. Down the display of them.
There's not really any girly ones though.
No.
What are these?
They're rugs.
Because you need one for your room, because that one we brought before isn't very good. Alright, off to the next thing, wardrobes. So we need another one of these.
Yes, that was a bit of a whoopsie.
Because someone spilt milk and coffee and then, yeah.
That wasn't me.
It wasn't, yeah.
It wasn't me.
It was one of the kids. Is that the only one? Or is this one better? No.
Storing that's going to be a pain.
What about
These ones store nicely.
Okay.
the red one?
Alright, that's worked for us for the last
Next
5 or 6 years. Put your feet up, Zoe. Anything else we need?
I'm just seeing if they have the mop head for our mop. There it is.
Is that it?
That's microfiber.
You like the... That's not it.
That's not it. That's what it looks like, but that's microfiber. I have to go to Big W, I think. That's where I usually get it from.
Alright, let's keep going. Wardrobes.
Wardrobes.
So we found the wardrobes.
How deep were they? Ikea 350 and
58.
because they're 450 deep, which is a normal wardrobe, yeah.
Oh!
But I don't think 350. I don't think that'll still work on that shallow wall. 450 only will be too deep. I think we only just have 350.
No, you can't.
Don't you try and climb out, Missy.
Yeah, I reckon Ikea might be the way to go for that one.
Okay, IKEA wins wardrobes.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've just finished at Bunnings and we're at IKEA. You guys are
Can you
noisy.
even hear anything over there, Echo? Shh. Walk with my hand, please.
So we've got to get some more shelves and a few other things. Are we going to get the purple
Do you
rug?
like this one for your room, Zoe? Does that one look nice for your room?
I want to carry it.
You want to go? It's that one just there. You got to pull it out. Ah, there we go. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Norris.
Mom, what's that?
It's boxes.
Whoa.
They're pretty.
What's that one?
Arrow.
Lunchtime. What you got for lunch? What you got for lunch? Hot dogs? Hot dogs? Ayun na. You don't need to show everyone your hot dog in your mouth. I got my hot dog too. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy lunchtime. Yummy hot dogs? Yep. Cool.
We don't have hot sauce.
You don't have hot dogs? Very green grass.
It is very green grass. We're just stopping at the park.
A big hole.
Ooh. Looks like they're fixing it, so we might not be able to go in the park. Hey, beautiful girls.
Yeah, go. You gotta go that way, but you can't go the way the man's fixing. Gotta go the other slide. Whoa, come on, Nora. You can do it. Bye, Joe. Way. Is this a cool playground, Zoe? Hey, what's that?
That's noisy.
It's noisy. It's a tunnel.
Yeah.
Wow. Is this a cool playground? You like it? You gonna go down the slide again?
Yes.
Okay, off you go. What's this slide? Is this slide fun? Show me how we go down it. That was a very interesting dismount. Nora. Hi. Catch you. Okay. Look at your hair. You found another ladder, have you? Another place to explore. Where are you going? You're supposed to go down the slide, not up. Nora.
Nora's good at climbing up the slide. Come.
Hang on, I'm just watching Nora. Hi, you gonna go down, are you now? I don't know. You gonna catch it?
So we've just got home. Erik's hanging out some washing, and we've just realised this tree has grown quite a bit over winter. Go under it.
Finally get to use the line again.
Yes. Because it's not going to be 3 degrees overnight. We've had warm days but really cold nights, so this is the first.
Don't watch me, you're going to pick on the way I hang my clothes.
I know, you're already annoying me.
I have my way, you have your way. They both dry.
So Erik has gone to get the kids from kinder, and they're from school, Harry from kinder, whatever. And I got these boxes. I find these boxes only last these ones are about 4 or 5 years old. These aquary ones, I think. The pink one's fine. And then these ones we got from Bunnings, which never lasted at all. So anyway, I brought new ones for there. So it looks kind of neatish, because that I consider like what would be in the toy room. And I just put my hand in front of the camera. Over there, that sort of stuff. And then, yeah, and this is the more lounge room area. So yeah, I got them. And then we got Nora her own chair, but she won't sit in it all the time. So what we do when we transfer them from high chair to table is we get them to eat sometimes. Ooh, there's a massive bumblebee there. Anyway, so we get them to like have snacks and stuff on their little chair, because she's hopeless at it. She never sits at it. Some have been really good and gone straight into it. And then we get them to sort of eat lunch in it, and then they sort of just etch into breakfast and dinner, and then the high chair just disappears. So that is what we're planning on doing with her. Hopefully it works. She's not a sitter, so we'll see how well that goes. But yeah, so she got orange. Oh, it says it's red, but it's a very orange red. So they got a different colour, because we don't want fighting over whose pink chair it is. So yeah, so we got her orange, which is still a cool colour. Yeah, so I don't even know what I'm going to do. I should be editing a video to go up tonight. Yeah, so I shall get some stuff done.
Rightio, it's dinner time. What are we having tonight, Harry?
Pie. Popcorn.
Very good, well done. Yeah, a bit of a mixed bag for dinner tonight. Yes, Zoe. Oh, he pointed to yours. Well, you tell us what you're having. Well, you can tell us.
What are you having, Dad?
What are you having, Zoe?
I'm really ready. Hot dog and juice.
Cool. Very good. And Andrew's at work again tonight. You got yours? You happy now? Yeah? Did you have fun outside today? It's nice, the weather's warming up.
Yeah, she even went on the roller coaster heaps of times.
I know. And we went out to the park today. Yeah, we went out to the park and we went to, what shop did we go to, Joel? The fixing shop.
Why? Why?
Because we had to get a stud finder, even though I'm the stud here, so you know.
And bunnies.
Already found one. That joke in there. You gonna say bye bye? Say bye bye. She doesn't know who she's saying bye to. Say bye bye to the baby. Bye bye. Say bye bye. She's gonna smile at yourself. Okay.
Dad, it's hot.
It is hot. Well, just eat it.
Sauce. Need sauce.
Alright, I'll get you some sauce.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.